Hello everybody, and today I have something pretty interesting to show you. Have you ever seen a power adapter that could charge up to 3 devices at a time, and that's currently in my left hand and I'm moving it slowly towards the camera? If this intrigues you, here's what I'm going to display. A power adapter that can charge 3 devices at a time. It has 3 USB ports, all for different things. The one on the top is for iPhone and iPad, for basically Apple devices. The one in the center is for micro USB devices. And the third one is for HTC and USB-C. So I'm going to show you how to charge this. And the cool thing about this thing is that when I have this plugged in and I'm using it, when I'm using my iPad, currently it is kind of low on battery. Not so low though. Not super low. Yep, there goes. There's the iPad. Actually, there's the power adapter plugged into the power wall. And I'm gonna get my iPad's power cord. The power cord I'm gonna use to charge the iPad. I'm gonna plug this in. And now we're gonna take this USB end and plug it into the first USB port that is toward us. Not the farthest one, but the closest one. Check this out. Charging iOS device. iPad Mini 3. Now, I'm going to grab a micro USB device. That's our PS4 controller. That's my brother's PlayStation 4 controller. I'm going to plug in the unit to charge. Oops, doesn't go like that. Doesn't like. There we go. There we go. So now, I just unplugged it by accident. Plug that in. And what we're going to do, for the PS4 controller, we're going to plug this into the second USB port. And now, there's that PS4, which is actually turning on right now, and I'm going to turn it off because I don't want to use it right now. See if it doesn't. Okay, I don't hear anything on the TV. Oh, there it goes. And yes, the headset is connected. And what we're going to do is we're going to let these devices charge. I do actually have a USB-C device. However, it's actually downstairs right now, so I can't charge it. But our micro USB, which is this Android connector, one you use for your PS4, and it also does not. You can use it on an Xbox One controller and devices, but it doesn't come with the Xbox One, your Android cables. So, tell me what you actually think about this. This is actually pretty interesting. It's very rare to find these types of adapters. You probably can find them at Fry's. I'm not too sure though. So if you're interested in checking one out, please let me know and I'll tell you where you can find them at the store. I'll reply to your comment. They're at Fry's, actually. At Fry's and all electronic stores. Well, that sell all retail electronics based on categories and stuff. So thanks for watching this interesting video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.